What's up guys? Today I'll be making some more progress on my EXO bumper. Here's a quick recap in case you missed my first three parts. So far I've got this front structure closed up. I've got square tubing on the side, top, and other side, and then I have actually round tubing on the bottom. And then now I'm using round tubing again on these side structures. I also now mounted the intercooler to the front bar. So currently I've got these top bars on both sides tacked to the main structure here. I've got this weld completely done, and I now started setting up these lower bars. So today my main goal is going to be actually closing up this outer section on both sides. The first thing I'll have to do is get this side piece cut. It's going to be very similar size to this one. And then after that, I'll probably weld these two together, kind of like how I did the top. Then the last piece of the puzzle will be this angled section here. So I already know roughly what this angle needs to be, and then I should easily be able to calculate what the other angle needs to be. So then once I get these side structures done on both sides, I'll start looking at if I want to add any more bars in this open space. Here's where I'm at currently. I've got both sides completely closed in as far as tack welded together. And so now I'm looking at adding these extra pieces in the front here. I don't think this is quite what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna make it a little bit shorter down here. So that'll be the next thing. I'll start cutting those two pieces. It'll be a little bit more complicated because I'm butting a round tube to a round tube. So I'll have to use my little tubing notcher to do that, but otherwise pretty straightforward. So I've got everything welded up in the side structure here. So the last thing I think I want to add are a couple bars here and right here. So I'm gonna start lining those up and see how it looks, see how exactly where I want to place them. And that should be the last thing I need to tack onto this thing. And then it'll be fully tacked and ready to do the final welds. I've got everything fully tacked now, and I'm super happy with how it came out. This is like something I struggled with for a while now. Did so many sketches and mock-ups and stuff, and ended up just going for it and started building. So I'm really pleased with the final shape of this thing. Next time I will pull it off and do all the final welds on it. I think I counted 14 full round welds I still have to do. So that's like all of these joints. The only ones that are really done are like this corner and this corner joint, and the ones I did at the very beginning on that straight bar on the bottom there. So yeah, next time I'll do all the final welds, so it'll be completely finished in the fabrication sense, and then I'll also start looking at what color I want to paint it, and I'm really not decided on that yet. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. Yeah, that's it for today. And definitely let me know what you guys think of the final shape of this thing.